If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. Today, my topic is exact function in Excel. So without wasting time, just move towards our practical section. So in this video, we are going to cover what is exact function, why we use it, where it is located, syntax of this function. I'm going to explain this all by giving some examples. Means we will cover example also. One more important thing, you can say the important tip I'm going to cover in this video, which will definitely help you in your work. So watch this video till end. Now let's move further. What is exact function and what is the use of it? So exact function is Excel text function which helps to compare two text string or value with each other. It helps to know whether both the strings or value are exactly equal or not. See, if it is exactly same, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Exact function is case sensitive, but it ignores formatting difference. It is frequently used to do comparison between two values at the time of analyzing data. Basically, it can be useful when we share our worksheet with others and want them to input data in a specific format. So where it is located? Just check Formula tab, Function Library, Text, Exact Function. Fine. So what is the syntax of exact function? Is equal to exact, open the bracket, text1, comma, text2, close the bracket. So what is text1? First string which we want to compare. What is text2? Second string which we want to compare. See, it compares any supplied data, whether data is two text string, numbers or anything else. If the value enter directly into function, then they needs to be enclosed in double quotes. Fine. So let's move towards our examples. Fine. So here I have given text 1, text 2, the result which I got, and here is the formula which I applied to get this result. Fine. So first example, check the formula bar is equal to exact, open the bracket, B20, comma, C20 and close the bracket. We got the result true. Why? See, here I have mentioned if it is exactly same, then it returns true. So here we got true as our result because text 1 and text 2 both are exactly same. Fine. Now second example, just check the formula bar is equal to exact, open the bracket, B21, comma, C21, close the bracket. So what result we got? False. Why? Because just check the note. If it is exactly same, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. See, text 1 and text 2 seems to be same, but there is a difference of case. See, the first letter of text 1, it is in uppercase, and the first letter of text 2, it is in lowercase. So, as I said before, exact function is a case sensitive. That's why we got false as a result. Because though it seems to be same, there is a difference of case. Fine. Now, next example, just check the formula bar is equal to exact, open the bracket, B22, comma, C22, close the bracket. So what result we got? True. Both the text 1 and text 2, it is exactly same. So we got true as our result. Now next example is equal to exact B23, comma C23, close the bracket. What result we got? False as our result. Just check the formula bar. Check text 1 70. Just check text 2 69.9. So whether it is exactly same? No. That's why we got false as our result. See, though it seems to be a same, that is text 1 and text 2 seems to be a same data. But text 2 is a round figure of 69.9. Fine. So it is not exactly same. That is text 1 and text 2 is not exactly same. Fine. So we got false as our result. Now next example is equal to exact, open the bracket, B24, comma C24, close the bracket. Now we got result true. See, though this text 1 and text 2 does not seems to be a same data, but we got the result true. Why? Now what I will do, I will keep the cursor on B24, right click, format cell, check the general category 44990. Whether this number is same as text 2? Yes. Means text 1, it is in a text, both the data is same. Now C24, right click, format cell. Now what I will do, I will go to custom category. Now dd.mm.yyyyy. Okay. Now you will see I have changed the format and now it seems to be same. So the data is same, but there is only format difference. Just check the note. Exact function is a case sensitive, but it ignores formatting difference. So here we got true as a result. Fine. I will just undo the action. Fine. Now next example is equal to exact, open the bracket, B25, comma, in quotes, example, close the bracket. So in note, what I have mentioned, if the value enter directly into the function, then they need to be enclosed in double quotes. Now we want that B25 and the text which we have entered in formula in quotes should be same. So now the comparison is between text 1 and the text which we have entered in formula in quotes. So whether it is same, it is exactly same. So we got true as a result. Fine. So here we have completed all the exact examples. Now suppose we have a data which is case sensitive. Then what we will do? How we will compare? So for non-case sensitive comparison of value in Excel, there is two options. Just check the first option. See, instead of using exact function for comparing the two data, we can use equal to sign between two values to get the result. Just check the formula bar is equal to B37 is equal to C37. Now what we are doing? We are comparing the two data by using is equal to sign. So we got true as a result. Means both the text 1 and text 2 is exactly same. Now second example is equal to B38 is equal to C38. What result we got? True. See, the first letter of text 1, it is in uppercase, and the first letter in text 2, it is in lowercase. Then also the data got matched. It is exactly same because now we are using is equal to for comparing the two data. If we use the exact function, then what result we got? False, because exact function is a case sensitive. Fine. Now next example is equal to B39 is equal to C39. So what result we got? True. As I said before, we are now comparing the two data by using equal to sign. So we got the result true. Just check text 1. In text 1, the last letter of text it is in lowercase and the last letter of text 2 it is in upper. So instead of exact function, we use is equal to get the result of comparison. Fine. Now next example is equal to B40 is equal to C40. So what result we got? False. Why? You will see in text 2 there is a space after 3 letters. So the two text is not same. So what we have concluded with this example that Excel ignores the case and compares the value. Fine. So if we want to compare the non-case sensitive value, then we can use is equal to sign. Fine. Now we will check the second option. See. The second option is the result of non-case sensitive comparison can be achieved by converting both the values into either upper or lower case by using upper or lower formula. Means what exactly we need to do to get the comparison of non-case sensitive value? We need to convert the text 1 and text 2 in upper or lower case. So just check the formula bar. In first example, convert the text 1 and text 2 in uppercase. So how we did is equal to exact, open the bracket, convert the text 1 in uppercase. So use the upper formula, upper, open the bracket, B49, close the bracket, comma. Now convert text 2 in uppercase. So use upper formula, upper, open the bracket, C49, close the bracket and close this exact function and just hit enter button. Now the text 1 and text 2 it got converted in uppercase, so we got true as a result. Now just check the second example is equal to exact. Now we convert the text 1 and text 2 in lowercase. For that we need to use lower formula is equal to exact, open the bracket, lower, open the bracket, convert the text 1 that is B50, close the bracket, comma, lower, open the bracket, C50, close the bracket and close the exact function. Now hit enter button. So what result we got? True. Now just compare the first example and second example. See, in first example, both the text are same, but in second example, the first letter of this text 1 it is in uppercase and text 2 it is in lowercase. So what we did, we have converted both the text 1 and text 2 in lowercase. So now that is no question of case and we got true as a result. Means text 1 and text 2 got converted in lowercase and now both the texts are exactly same. So we got true as a result. Now third example is equal to exact. Now we change the text 1 in uppercase. So upper, open the bracket, B51, close the bracket, comma, convert the text 2 in uppercase, upper, open the bracket, C51, close the bracket and close this exact function and hit enter button. So what result we got? False, because we can convert the text. Now in this formula, both the texts got converted in uppercase. But whether these texts are same, just check text 2, that is a space after 3 letters. So both the texts are not exactly same. Fine. So what we concluded with this formula, the entire text will convert into upper or lower case and then compare it by using exact function. Fine. I hope you have understood this exact function. Also, the two options of comparing non-case sensitive comparison of value in Excel. Fine. In case you have any doubt, Just write in comment box.
If you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. Thank you.